6 over x minus 15 minus 6 over x equals 90 over x squared minus 15x. Before we solve this equation, let's look and see what numbers will make the denominator 0. If we factor this denominator, we have x times x minus 15, which are the same factors as here. So the numbers that are going to make denominator 0 are 0 itself, making this denominator 0, and this one, and 15. So x cannot be 0 and x cannot be 15. Now let's solve the equation, multiplying both sides by x squared, or rather, let's write it as x times x minus 15. Multiply that by 6 over x minus 15 minus 6 over x. And then also multiply this side by x times x minus 15. That's multiplied by 90 over x squared minus 15x. Multiplying here, the x minus 15 over x minus 15 cancel, and we have 6x. Here the x over x cancel, and we have 6 times x minus 15. And here, x times x minus 15 is the same as x squared minus 15x, so it cancels, and we have 90. Multiplying and simplifying, we have 6x minus 6x plus 90 equals 90. This is 0, so we're left with a statement 90 equals 90. Well, that's an obviously true statement. And normally our solution would be all real numbers when we come up with something like this. But because we had a rational equation and 0 and 15 are not possible answers, we have to exclude them from the answer set. So we can say that our answer set is the set of all numbers x. In other words, the set of all numbers x such that x is a real number. That would be saying x can be any real number, but we have to add the restrictions, and x does not equal 0, and x does not equal 15.